Now we will learn some special sounds. On Phonics Chart 6 through 13, you will learn special sounds that will help you read many new words and stories. Learn each chart very well before going on to the next one. Phonics Chart 6. K in duck. K in duck. E in me. E in me. O in go. O in go. I in fly. I in fly. A in pray. A in pray. St in stop. St in stop. Pull in plane. Pull in plane. Fur in frog. Fur in frog. Tur in train. Tur in train. Sh in ship. Sh in ship. Th in thick. Th in thick. V in this. V in this. Bull in block. Bull in block. Cull in clock. Cull in clock. Full in flake. Full in flake. Gull in glue. Gull in glue. Phonics Chart 7. Burr in bride. Burr in bride. Dur in drum. Dur in drum. Purr in pray. Purr in pray. Gur in grin. Gur in grin. Sm in smoke. Sm in smoke. Sk in scat. Sk in scat. Sk in skate. Sk in skate. Sp in spade. Sp in spade. Cur in crab. Cur in crab. Twa in twins. Twa in twins. Spull in splash. Spull in splash. Spur in sprain. Spur in sprain. Skr in scream. Skr in scream. Squa in squeak. Squa in squeak. Sn in snack. Sn in snack. Sul in sleep. Sul in sleep. Stir in stream. Stir in stream. Swa in swim. Swa in swim. Phonics Chart 8. Thir in three. Thir in three. R in stars. R in stars. Ch in church. Ch in church. Or in morning. Or in morning. Ow in out. Ow in out. Ow in owl. Ow in owl. O in bowl. O in bowl. In verse. In verse. In nurse. In nurse. In bird. In bird. Oi in coin. Oi in coin. Oi in boy. Oi in boy. In book. In book. Oo in tooth. Oo in tooth. Were in worms. Were in worms. I in night. I in night. All in ball. All in ball. Phonics Chart 9. Ing in pointing. Ing in pointing. N in knot. N in knot. N in gnat. ang in bang, ing in king, ing in king, ong in long, ong in long, ung in strung, ung in strung, ank in bank, ank in bank, ink in wink, ink in wink, onk in honk, onk in honk, unk in trunk, unk in trunk, wa in wash, wa in wash, in adopt, in adopt, e in baby, e in baby, o in little, o in little, ed in wanted, ed in wanted, t in looked, t in looked, d in played, d in played. Be sure you learn each phonics chart very well before you go on to the next chart.